Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Hi5 account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Hi5 application. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Here, tap on the settings icon in the top section of your screen. And here you can see cancel account option, tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on continue cancellation option. Here you'll have to select a reason for deleting your account. And if you're sure, tap on confirm option. And that is how you can delete your Hi5 account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.